My background is a little bit different to the norm in the Salesforce ecosystem. I've been in the project space for many years now. I was originally a project manager and then I was the change manager for a period of time. I worked in financial services for 7 years, including running a sales team. I've also worked in product development and so now as a consultant in the Salesforce world, so it's a bit of a varied background. At the moment we're working with a large utilities company and we're working with a particular line of business in that company. So it's everything from product development and how they introduce new offers to the market and how they can win new customers, through to the sales process, the order process, how we manage delivery and scheduling, also from billing through to payments and collections, and then post-sale support. So it's really exciting to be able to do a type of project like that because we're really going to make a fundamental change to their business. Typical day, there's probably no such thing. So at the moment, I'm in the middle of a design sprint, so it's very hectic and we're working very closely with the business to make sure that we've understood their requirements and put the meat on the bones of our solution design. Other times I can be working in pre-sales, which can mean responding to government tenders or building proof of concepts or prototypes to help clients understand what we're proposing to do with them. And other times again, it can be during a build of a particular project where I'll be working as part of an agile team, working with developers to kind of build the solution and bring it to life for the customer. In the enterprise space, I'd say the most critical factor for a successful Salesforce implementation is having the right sponsor. Having a really clear and compelling vision and having them empowered to actually remove the obstacles and the blockers that you're going to encounter in that space. If you can get the right sponsorship, other things that would be important to have would be a really clear view of what your target state architecture is, and also having a really clear definition of what Salesforce is and is not for the business, and making sure you keep to that. Because the challenge is, once an enterprise customer can see how quickly you can do things in Salesforce, the temptation is to use it for everything. The financial services industry suffers a lot of the same problems as most industries, where customers are really expecting a seamless and personalised multi-channel experience. To add to that, financial services often have invested billions in their core platforms, and these platforms are very difficult and slow and expensive to change. And so where Salesforce can really play a role is on that customer engagement layer. So it allows them to leverage the investment that they've made in these core systems, giving them better customer experiences and more agility.